Welcome to Cologne International Airport. Welcome po sa Cologne. Nandito na tayo sa Cologne. Papasok na tayo ng airport. Tapos, pupuntahan ko mamaya yung mga bata sa Bonn. Kaya sunduin ko sila. Kasama ko ng mga anak ko. Nagkain muna sila dito. Nag-happy meal muna sila. And tingnan yung mga buhok nila. Hi, Kuya!
Hello.
And si Nathaniel! Hi, Nathan!
Hello.
Nakakatuwa yung mga ano ko. Kaya marunong na sila ba mag-style-style. Diyos ko. At saka, pagkatapos nilang kumain, nagligpit. Nakakatuwa, no? Sobrang na-miss ko yung dalawa. Si Tipi pala, mas matangkad na sa akin. Taga dito na lang ako. Dati, taga dito siya. Ngayon ako na ang taga dito. Meron pa kami mga 3 minutes. Naghintay lang kami ng aming train. Maybe we need to go out na lang. So we will not forget our train. Sakay tayo ng train.
Nächster Halt, Düsseldorf Flughafen. Planmäßige Ankunftszeit 21:08 Uhr, heute 21:12 Uhr. Ausstieg rechts.
Ayan, kasama ko na po yung mga anak ko, si Nathan at si Kuya. Nagsakay na kami ng train ngayon. Papunta kami ng Moers, Vandelvalk na hotel sa Moers. Dahil bukas meron po tayong performance, no, sa isang event kay Ate Beth sa humanitarian group po dito sa Germany. Kaya dadalhin ko yung aking dalawang anak kasi naka-book naman po tayo for 2 nights doon. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Düsseldorf Airport. Pagkatapos po dito, the next station is Duisburg. And then mag-taxi na po tayo papunta sa hotel. So malapit na po. Kailangan tayong mag-taxi kasi yung anak ko, inaantok na siya. Ngayon, natutulog na nga siya. Sobrang miss siguro niyang nanay niya. Kaya naglalambing kanina pa. Nakatulog na to. Nakatulog na tao ng anak ko. Oh. Miss na niya yung kanyang nanay. Yun, nakasakay na kami ng taxi. So, we are here, guys. Dito na tayo sa hotel sa Moers. Nag-taxi tayo kay Nantok si. Thank you, danke. So, dito na po tayo. Ang ganda naman dito. It's nice. Maganda siya. Ha? Yeah. Ayun, oh. Marami na siyang design. Like Christmas design. Yeah. Welcome, everyone. Visit first here. Hala, may mga Filipina na rin dito. Hello. Can you stay here first? Wow. Is it there for... Wow. Is it there first? Oh, ang ganda dito. Very nice. Nice, na? Cool. Meron pa silang fireplace. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ayan, naka-check-in na tayo. Ang ating room is room number 226. Dito po tayo sa Vandelvalk Hotel, Moers. Ang ganda po dito. Hala, ano yan? Ang ganda po dito dahil romantic siya, oh. Very romantic hotel. So, let's go, guys. Here's our room. Who wants to open our room? Kuya Nathan! Stefan! Nathaniel, here's our room. Who wants to open? So, hi guys! How are you, both of you, Kuya and Nathan?
Good.
Uy! Very strict man langgain. Ayan, so we go out langgain.
Das erste.
Yeah. We go sit here. One is, what is that number? 226. So,
Bro.
we need to look for the 226.
Bro.
It's very romantic here, guys.
Huh? Nee. Dann suchen wir mal schon abends.
226. 224. Yeah, yan. Ang ganda po dito kasi romantic siya na romantic hotel. 226.
Oh, da ist nichts. Achso, ich dachte, es wäre so. Nichts.
Go. La. Oha. Oha. Wow. Hello. Alles gut. Okay. So.
Nee.
Nathan, kannst du bitte mich helfen?
Nee.
Both of them. Have to? Far lang ka?
Huh?
It's so far. Ang ganda, oh. Tingnan niyo yung way. Yeah? Sabi niya, parang matagal pa tayo nito. Saan ba tayo? Okay. So, more? Malaki pala ito na hotel. Ang lalayo. 235. Saan tayo? 2241. Okay. Uy, ginuo ko. Ang layo.
Wir sind Boss.
Okay, thank you, love. La. Who is the boss? 226. Ang layo naman.
Steven, nächsten Raum.
Diyos ko.
Steven, nächsten Raum.
Another room. Puro room.
Welches Zimmer?
Thank you, love. Thank you.
Ich habe Schlüsselkarte. Schlüsselkarte.
226? Oh, yeah. Hi, thanks God. Yay! Turn on the light.
Das ist eigentlich schon schön gemacht. Kommen.
Oh, it's already on the light. Wow. Uy! Oy! Ang ganda. Nice. So nice. Malaki na room. Wow.
Mint. Hier ist Mint.
Mint.
Mint?
Nee, it's for like, wait, i-close ko muna.
Das ist Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Dann kannst du hier schlafen und ich dann Mama hier.
Where you want to sleep? Who wants to sleep with Mama?
Ich schlafe dann alleine.
You want to sleep alone?
Pfeffermint.
Meron silang free, like, what is it lang? We have a free peppermint. Nice? You like it?
Stimmt, guck mal, das liebe ich von Dings Decken.
So, ito yung ating room. Yan. Can we say welcome to our room? 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to our room. Yeah, ito po yung kwarto natin. Dalawa yung bed niya. So, perfect na perfect kasi magkasya kami. Tagi-isa kami. 1, 2, 3. May free sila na water. Wala, Nathan! There's a lot of stove. Ano yun? Yung ano ba? Halikabok. Water! There's a free water!
Das ist Dings
May water.
Kiosk. Nein, Kiosk.
Meron silang TV. Who wants to make vlog?
Diesen Kiosk von unserer Schule, dieses ACE.
Guys, Kuya, do you want to make a...
Genau die gleiche Form.
Who wants to make a vlog? Just show the room, please. Just where's the toilet? Kuya, can you do? No? Nathan?
Mir ist egal.
Okay.
Billard spielen, Steven. Billard. Warte.
Wait, Kuya, Nathan will help me to make a vlog. Wait. I can be your videographer. I can be your big videographer. So, Hi guys!
Hi.
Yes, si Nathan ang mag-vlog sa atin. So first is when we go
In
entrance. Wait, ayan. There's a light. So this is the entrance and there is, what is this, Nathan? A room for your,
Use the safe.
oh, there's a safe. You remember the safe, Nathan, before? That you lock it? You remember? And here's for the jacket, where you can hang your jackets and your shoes. You can put your
Then we
shoes.
go here in.
Mm-hmm.
And then we see the TV.
Yeah.
Then we see,
Wait. Yeah. Oh, cool.
and here's a mirror.
Yeah. And here lang ga.
And
The,
there's teapot.
and the toilet. Gara-gara man ni siya, eh.
Now we go in the toilet.
Yeah.
Here are towels.
Yeah. Ang dami tops. So,
Big.
a lot of towels lang ga, no?
Then here are
Ah,
rest of English.
shower.
Shower. And here's toilet and here's the bath.
Wow, there's a bath and shower. Cool. They have a lot of like free lotions. Meron sa, ang dami nila, oh.
Morgen nehme ich mir den Bad.
Wow, cool. They have a lot of lotion, cap, clothes, soap.
Mama,
Wow. Yeah?
kannst du jetzt bitte raus, weil ich muss auf die Toilette.
Okay. Maganda, medyo malaki yung ating room at natuwa ko kasi dalawa yung ating bed. May ano siya for 3 persons or kahit 5 nga dito kasi dito pwede kaming 4 tapos dyan isa or pwedeng 2 sa mga pwedeng 6. Pwede pang magdikit-dikit pero of course bawal kasi yan sa hotel kapag maraming tao dahil kinakount nila kapag may emergency, for example mga fire, so yung more than enough na tao sa isang kwarto, hindi na po siya covered ng insurance. Kasi for example, dito is kasya lang ng 3 tao, tapos nag-5 kayo. So, kung anong mangyari, hindi po covered ng insurance. Kaya po bawal na more than 5 persons
Du
here.
willst nicht mehr
So,
auf die Toilette gehen.
Yan po ang purpose kung bakit binabawal nila na maraming tao sa isang kwarto. Pero syempre tayo nagtitipid, no? Especially sa amin. Ako hindi naman sa nagtitipid. Pero gusto ko kasi na isang kwarto lang kaming lahat. Normally kasi bawal yung 3 bata at 2 adults. So bawal 5 sa isang room. Pero ayoko naman na malayo yung 2 anak ko. Iba sila na kwarto, di ba? Kaya gusto kong dito. Pero but tonight is our night. It's only us. Nga? It's only Mama with Kuya and Nathaniel. Are you happy, Kuya? Mama is focusing to you? Yeah? And also Nathaniel? Where's my Nathaniel?
Ja.
Uy! Oh, you're washing! He's washing his. Cool. Are you happy that Mama is very focused to you now? That it's only you and Kuya? You're
Ich
happy?
spüre auch schon die Stille.
Hmm?
Ich spüre, also ich höre, wie still es ist. Nicht so laut. So wie bei Aria.
Sabi niya hindi daw masyadong maingay dahil wala si Arya. But you love your sister, right? Yeah? You love your sister so...
Manchmal.
Huh?
Manchmal.
Sometimes only. Don't feel like that, man, guys. Your sister loves you so much. No, it's normal because sometimes ma-annoy sila dahil maingay daw si Arya.
Aber Aria weint immer, wenn
Yeah,
wegen
always,
irgendwas.
always crying, no? Kasi hindi kasi sila magkaintindihan minsan. Palagi sila nagtatalo ba? Pero okay lang naman, normal naman sa mga bata na magtalo-talo. Kaya sabi niya, sometimes...
Von hier. Von hier riecht.
Yeah! Deswegen habe ich gesagt, was ist das? Ay!
Ich hab doch gesagt.
Alam ko,
Ich hab doch gesagt, du willst nicht mehr zur Toilette
ang
gehen.
saya ng anak ko, oy! Oh, I will make massage to you tonight, okay? I will look where we can get cream. Or maybe I will just use the lotion. Yeah, it's okay? Lotion only. Oh.
Aber Mama,
Hm?
aber nicht beim Auge und du darfst auch nicht das anfassen.
Yeah, genau. Yeah, love.
Weil Mama, das ist ansteckend.
You bring your sleeping dress, Nangga? Both of you? Huh?
Keine Ahnung.
But langgain, it's mama's time and boy's time, so not so much with phone, okay? Yeah? It's okay now because it's already night.
Ich bitte, was du auch machst. Ja, hier kann ich direkt erstmal.
Yan, dalawang. Your skin, you are changing skin. Hi! Naghugas po tayo ngayon ng paa ng ating mga anakin kay serbisyo sa mga anak. It's been a long time. I don't take care of my kids. No? It's been a long time, guys. Kaya mag-alaga tayo sa ating mga anak. Magserbisyo tayo ngayon. Pagkatapos ng ating maglinis, maghugas, punas, mag-half bath lang sila. And then, massage. Whole massage. Yeah, for both of Kuya Tipoy and Nathan.
Aber Mama, kannst du beim Massage nicht Video?
Yeah, no. Make a video. Okay, ayaw na magpa-video ng aking anak. It's enough video na, Kuya. Thank you so much, Kuya. Thank you.
Junge, hi.
So mag-prepare po muna ako dahil mag-give time for my boys and we would like to say thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you for watching and please watch more and please subscribe, like and share. Bye.
Hindi mo nakatingin. Ciao!